Tonight at dinner, sentence with your family. One sentence that shuts down the fastest growing scam in America. I'll give it to you before this video ends. But first, you need to know what we're up against. Because last year, Americans lost $68 billion to scams. That's about $186 million a day. And the newest tool in the scammer's toolbox, it can sound exactly like your daughter crying on the phone, asking for help. Welcome back to the AI Guide. I'm David, the channel where I take the AI news and translate it into what it actually means for you. My take up front: the scary part isn't that AI writes better fake emails. It's that now it can sound exactly like the people you love. But the defenses work, they're free, and by the end of this video, you'll have every single one of them. Quick favor first, if you've got parents, kids, or grandkids who need to hear this, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming, and share this one with your family afterwards. That's the whole point of this video. So where does $68 billion come from? On June 30th, Gallup, the polling company, put out a report with a group called the Stop Scams Alliance. It's called United States of Scams, and it's one of the clearest pictures we've ever had of this problem. They surveyed over 5,000 American adults, and here's what they found. And by the way, AI has put this on steroids. That's why we're talking about this. About 15 million Americans got scammed out of money last year. 15 million. The average hit was around $5,500, though more than half of all scams were under $500. And one in every 4 Americans has been scammed at some point in their adult life. So this isn't rare anymore, it's common. This is a neighbor, a co-worker, somebody even at your dinner table. Now here's where AI walks in. The report found about 1 in 8 successful scams last year involved AI or deepfakes. And the researchers say that's almost certainly an undercount because a lot of victims never find out AI was involved at all. Think about it. If the fake voice fooled you, how would you know? The head of the Stop Scams Alliance put it bluntly. These groups aren't called organized crime for nothing. They're organized. They run this just like a business. See the movie The Beekeeper. And AI just handed that business a power tool. And let me clear something up because this matters. It is not just gullible people. And it's not just your grandparents. Gallup found no real difference by age in who falls for these. None. Younger, older, everybody gets got. What is true? When older folks do get hit, they lose more money. The FBI says Americans over 60 lost almost $8 billion last year alone. And the scams mostly arrive through everyday stuff. Fake websites, calls, texts, emails. About half the time, the victims sent the money themselves, usually through payment apps like Zelle or PayPal. Now, the one I really want you to understand, the voice clone. Here's how it works. A scammer pulls a few seconds of someone's voice off social media, a birthday video, a voicemail, anything. One study found 3 seconds of audio is enough to build a convincing clone now. Then your phone rings. It's your daughter's voice, your son, your grandkids, panicked, in trouble. a car accident, an arrest. They need money right now. And please don't tell anyone. Every piece of the call is engineered. The voice creates trust. The panic shuts down your thinking. The secrecy keeps you from checking. And the payment they ask for, wire transfer, crypto, gift cards, is always the kind of transaction you can't reverse. Now the honest part, because I promised you no hype. That 68 billion is a survey estimate, not an audit. The real number could be lower or a lot higher. And that 495% explosion in deepfake fraud, stat floating around online, that's one security vendor's projection about its own platform, not a measured fact. But the direction of data is solid. The FTC, Federal Trade Commission, and the FBI both recorded fraud losses jumping more than 25% last year. Why? It's better, faster, cheaper to do than ever. Thank you, AI. Whatever the exact number is, it's big and it's growing. Okay, defense time. And here's the sentence I promised you. Tonight you say this to your family. If anyone ever calls saying they're in trouble and needs money, we ask for the family word first, then pick a word together. Something silly, something nobody could guess from your Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok. That's it. And the FBI itself recommends this. Because a scammer can clone a voice, but they can't clone a secret. Second, the callback rule. Hang up, call the person back on the number you already have. Real emergencies survive a callback. Scams don't. Third, know the tells. Urgency plus secrecy plus a weird payment method. Gift cards, wire, crypto. That combination is a scammer's signature. Nobody legitimate asks for an iTunes card. So here's 2 quick housekeeping moves. Lock down who can see videos with your voice on social media. Clones get built from what you post. And if someone in your circle does get hit, report it. Reportfraud.ftc.gov, G-O-V. That's reportfraud.ftc.gov or ic3.gov. Most people never report, and that silence is exactly why the criminals keep winning. And I'll give you one more housekeeping tip. Lock down your whole social media account to friends only, and do not add people you've never heard of. So the recap, $68 billion, 15 million Americans, all in 1 year. 1 in 8 scams already using AI, and that's the undercount. But you've got the sentence now. We ask for the family word first. Pick the word tonight, so the next call that sounds exactly like your kid has to pass a test no computer can fake. Here's my question for the comments. Have you or someone you know already gotten one of these calls? I haven't gotten calls because my phone automatically blocks all numbers not in my address book, but I've gotten plenty of texts. Hey, what are you up to tonight? Scam from a number you've never seen and an area code you've never called in your life. Tell me what happened below. Your story might save somebody else's savings, and that's for real. When someone gets scammed out of their life savings, that's a hard reset, especially if you've retired. Share this video with your family and anyone you really care about. Also, please like and subscribe. And finally, please support us on Patreon. We really need financial support. Your small dollar monthly contribution of $5, $2, or even just $1 a month really makes a big difference for the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time. Take care.